Hello guys, I'm with a new concept that's RSI indicator. You will know what are people doing, what are other traders doing, are they bullish or bearish? How will you know that? That's with this indicator which tells about divergence. This indicator tells if you have to continue the trade or you have to get ready for the reversal. This is a wonderful concept and it's very easy to plot, and you will know it in 1 or 2 3 candles if you're considering 1 minute or 2 minute or anything. This works on any time frame, and this is the only indicator I would want to suggest as a price action trader. Okay, so let's get into the chart and I will be explaining how to plot and why is it that useful, and let's get into it.
So let's get on to the analysis part. In the top, you have something called indicators. You have to go with RSI, that is Relative Strength Index. It basically gives you this chart. Okay, you can set your price line from 60 to 40. It changes from 60 to 40, or you can change it from 70 to 30. This is the default one where you usually find it. Okay, this basically indicates, or this purple line basically indicates that 70%, 75% or 70 people are bullish, or if it is above 70, it's basically people are bullish. If it is below 40 or below 30 or whatever you have marked, that basically tells that below 40% people are bearish. So that is how you come to know by RSI. See here, above 60% people are above bullish and rest people are obviously bearish. So here also you come to know that people are bearish here they are bullish. So that's not what I want to teach. I am with a concept called divergence. I will be showing how to plot, or how will I know that it's a reversal. How will I know that people are getting out of the trade slowly and this is the time to reverse. Or you should know that you have to book your profits and start going on the reverse direction. Okay, so I have already marked 2 points here. I will be showing this zone particularly. Okay, so what am I here? I am bullish for now. As on I go, I see that there are a lot of candles above, so basically I'm in a bullish trade. As you come to know that, okay, I see some resistance at this point around this range. How do I know? That is on your analysis. If I were to be here, I would have thought that, okay, this is my previous resistance. So what do? I'll be thinking of shorting. And how do you know that other people are also interested in shorting? That is how you come to know by RSI indicator. Okay, so what you just do is you identify where or how, why am I thinking of shorting here when in a bullish. Why am I thinking of shorting is, as a price action trader, I will be thinking that this is the zone where people have sent the market below. So this is the zone I want to short, so I will have this in my mind. Okay, and as on the stock reaches at this point, I open up RSI indicator and mark this is my recent high and this is my other recent high. So what I just do is, you get to know this is a straight line you find here. Okay, you take this as your first stop and obviously this as your second one, right? So you mark that. What do you see here? I'm sorry. What do you see here? There is a bullish line seen here, bullish trend here. But what do you see here? There is slight bearish, or you can see that this line and this line is not the same. So this is where you assume that people are bearish. People are booking the profits and thinking of selling right now. This is where they want to short right now and go for profits on a bearish side. Okay, that is how you find divergence, by plotting from mother chart to RSI. I'll show you one more example. Okay, that was on a bullish way. This is basically on 7th, I think yesterday's one. Okay, and this zone I will be talking about right now. Okay, what am I doing here? What are other traders doing? I'm basically bearish here, right? So once I'm thinking on a bearish side, I think that okay, some reason, okay, I think I find that okay, Fibonacci 61, this is where people want to get into the trade and this is the time for reversal. And how do I know that? I want to start taking my profits on bearish side and get into the bullish market. How will I start buying my price? That is when I open my indicator, that is RSI. That is when I open my RSI, I see that this is my low and this is my high, and I did show you that this is my area of interest where I would want to buy, because that is Fibonacci reversal. Okay, that's apart. Okay, I'm here to show what is divergence. So this is what is showing that okay, I am bullish here, but the stock shows the stock goes little more down, but what is my RSI showing? RSI is showing that okay, people have already booked their profit and they're out of the trade. And you see that this low and this low is basically in a bearish line or bearish move. What is my RSI showing? It is on a bullish way, that people are in the trade. How do you know that? Because this is low. Okay, this is even lower. But what is my RSI showing? What is my relative strength index showing? It says that people have booked the profit and they are in a bullish stock, or they are already buying. This is where you come to know the divergence. So I don't think this is really a very difficult or complicated one to plot, and I'll be showing one last. You can you can also identify if people are still bullish. How do you know that? See, I have basically just assume that I have got into the trade here. I'm at the buy position here. Okay, I see that okay, this is my last rejection point. Should I be shorting at this position? No. Should I be shorting? How do I know that? By RSI. See, I have bought my position here, and here people are still buying. They are in the trade. It is not below this. It is not showing any sign of divergence. That is what I'm showing here. But here there is no sign of divergence. That is the reason. Why the stock kept moving higher and higher and higher, because my RSI, the strength is increasing and the people are still on the bullish side. Okay, this indicator is really very helpful when you are at a resistance or when you are at support. You kind of judge that should I be still on the trade or should I get out of the trade with booking the profits. And yes, you can back test and you will know that this indicator is very very useful. Just look at this one as well. When I see that, okay, it is bullish and here it's bearish. So thanks for watching and keep supporting.